Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review look at Takari Tomy and Hasbro's Transformers War for Cybertron Siege Trilogy Battlemaster Decepticon Blowpipe. Yep. So there is Blowpipe, the affected Transformer from the generations, Takari Tomy, Hasbro, Battlemaster. This one is WFC-S3, so it's the third one in the lineup. 6 modes to transform it into its weaponized mode, which the Battlemaster is aka a Target Master. Because I remember for like Transformers the Rebirth, which was somewhat okay and also weird. It was supposed to be Transformers G1 going on to season 4, but instead of actually going into like the other 24 episodes, they're just like, now we're just gonna cut. We're just gonna tack it onto the end of season 3. And instead of going on to make the full season 4, they're like 2 episodes from season 4, but instead of calling it season 4, we're gonna tack it onto season 3, call it extended season 3. Yeah, and it looked like it would have been nice because we would have saw like Headmasters, we would have saw Target Masters, which I think would have been a great idea if they went ahead and gone through with it, but they didn't. So yeah, all links down below in the description, links to toywiz.com where you can pull the information for its weapon mode. So its weapon mode is called Duo Impact Shatter Blast Compression Cannon. I dare you to say that 5 times fast. Duo Impact Shatter Blast Compression Cannon. Duo Impact Shatter Blast Compression Cannon. Yeah, stupid long freaking name. I'll just call it Gun Mode. Big Gun Mode. Super Giant Big Gun Mode. Rocket Launcher. Missile Launcher. Flamethrower. Nice, easy, simple. But no, they gotta go with this long name. Yikes. So yeah, also toyhats.com, link down below in the description to that website. They do amazing sticker label artwork to really make these characters pop and shine, which is, what you really want. So yeah, let's get this unboxed and take a look at it.